Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So did you know that you can make your own shampoo at home with just a few household ingredients? Well, this shampoo is a guaranteed hair growth booster. So if you want to know how to make your own shampoo at home that will not just cleanse your scalp but enable your hair grow, then just carry on watching.
Seddiesnowz YouTube channel is your go-to for everything hair growth content, ranging from DIY hair growth oils to hair growth butters, hair masks, or tips on how to grow your hair longer and retain the length. With this pace, everything is practical. We're a growing community, so you're welcome to join the Seddiesnowz family. Please hit that subscribe button and like this video.
Welcome back guys. So like I said, today we are going to learn how to make our own aloe vera hair growth shampoo at home. And what I'm illustrating here is I just put my aloe vera in a glass of water, and you're meant to do that so as to drain out the yellow tinted resin. It is called aloe, okay, and it is not good for your hair. It produces a lactative effect, and it can also cause damage to your scalp. It can also itch your scalp, and it also stinks. So make sure to not miss this step. Throw away the water from the aloe vera, and then you can proceed to use your aloe vera. So right now I'm just going to peel out the aloe vera and extract the gel. And guys, this shampoo we are going to make today is very effective. It is really good, and we all know that aloe vera is good for your hair, and it is a power ingredient that should be added to your shampoo. Okay, aloe vera balances the pH level of your scalp, and it lessens hair loss. So other benefits of aloe vera are the fact that it strengthens and conditions natural hair. Aloe vera also promotes hair growth. This is a known fact. Aloe vera also smooths natural curls. It locks in moisture. It also reduces frizz, and it detangles the hair. One other good trait of aloe vera is the fact that it controls greasy hair. So if you're the type of person that has greasy scalp all the time, then aloe vera helps to control that. Another important factor is the fact that it takes care of itchy scalp. So make sure you always run to aloe vera whenever you're experiencing itchy scalp, and then it also repairs hair strands. So right now I'm going to just let you watch. It's very self-explanatory. I'm done taking out the gel, so I'm just going to go ahead to blend it, and then we can proceed. So in total, I got about 1/8 cup of aloe vera gel. Well, it was a little above over 1/8 cup. So you're just going to go ahead to pour that into your bowl. So after that, we're going to go in with the next item, which is a clear soap base. Guys, I'm using a clear soap base. If you do not have Castile soap, then feel free to use a clear base soap. Okay, you can get this from the market, but make sure that it doesn't have harsh ingredients included into it. So the next thing we're going to use is coconut oil. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into our mixture. So coconut oil moisturizes the hair. It adds luster and shine to your hair. It adds softness to the hair, and it also prevents hair breakage and split ends, contributing to hair length. And for scalp, the barrier created by coconut oil blocks bacteria and irritants from causing more damage. So we're going to add honey next into our mixture, and I'll be going in with half tablespoon. So honey is important in this mixture because it moisturizes dry hair and scalp, it reduces hair breakage, it restores shine, it improves the condition of natural hair, it reduces frizz, and it also softens the hair. So you're going to make sure that you mix this thoroughly so that all the ingredients we added are well combined. Okay, make sure you mix it thoroughly. But before I go ahead to use my shampoo, I'm going to be adding one more ingredient, but this is completely optional. If you don't have it, then feel free to skip it. But I'll be adding in a few essential oils, and the first one I'll be adding is peppermint oil. So peppermint oil is one of my favorite essential oils because it gives my scalp a cooling sensation and increases blood circulation, which promotes hair growth. Then the next one we're going to use is lavender essential oil, and I also love this because it has a very nice fragrance. So if you do not have this, please feel free to skip it. And then the last oil I add to this is tea tree essential oil, and this oil treats dry scalp, it treats dandruff, it prevents hair loss, it boosts hair growth, and it treats head lice. So I added about 3 drops each of these essential oils, and that is it. So you're just going to go ahead to mix this thoroughly so that all the oils and the other ingredients get combined properly. Okay, so there you have it. Your homemade aloe vera hair growth shampoo is ready, and make sure you try this out because it is very good for you. And I want you to know that this shampoo we've made right here surpasses most of the hair shampoos you see in the market. Okay, so make sure you try doing these things on your own so you'll be sure of the ingredients you're adding into your hair product. So I'm going to go ahead to pour this into my bottle. And guys, if you make this shampoo, make sure you use it within 1 to 2 weeks. As at the time of this voiceover, it is exactly about like 5 days since I made this shampoo, and it is in the fridge and it hasn't changed. The color hasn't changed, the consistency is exact, everything is intact. It is still very good, it didn't go bad. But make sure to use it within 1 to 2 weeks after making it, but make sure it is in your refrigerator. So that's all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something. If you did, then please appreciate me by giving this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.